Naawa ko sa kapatid ni Tami na bunso. Nakatatapos lang nila nag-usap.
Follow you up to the house.
Right. You
And
get
he
that?
didn't come. Chicken shit didn't come.
Tomorrow's
He
video.
didn't come into service because of his chicken
You gotta
shit.
jump on the day.
This is with Caesar, huh?
Good morning, Philippines!
Huh? My weight. Good morning! Good morning, everything! Good morning, guys! Happy Easter! Happy Easter, everyone! Sunday, I know it's late na itong vlog ng ilang days, pero happy Easter belated sa inyong lahat dyan. So, ngayon is Sunday, punta kami sa kapatid ni Tami, and nagbasa ako kaninang umaga ng mga comments sa vlog, and then sabi pa, it's better to yung itimbang mo yung sarili mo early in the morning. Uminom ako ng 2 basong tubig, and then nagtimbang, oh my God, 119.8 yung timbang natin pounds. So, when was the last time? 120 something. Pababa tayo ng pababa. I'm so happy, guys, talaga, guys. Parang hindi naman ako nagutom. Kumakain ako, pero less wala ng bread, less na rice, more na seafood or more vegetables na tayo. So yun na yun siya, pero naano ko na oh my God, gusto kong bumalik sa dati, yung dati talaga, kahit 110 lang. Kung babalik man ako sa 105, ang saya. So yun, pababa tayo ng pababa. Gusto ko yun, guys, pababa. Parang gusto kong makita yung pag tumaas na, di ba, parang nakawalang gana, pero pag bumaba, gusto mong ipadayon, i-continue. So, yun siya, guys. Good morning! And doon si Tami, busy sa kanyang, may inano lang siya sa opisina niya, yung trabaho niya. Yung extra job. I don't know, paalis kami mamaya, bibili kami ng mga sa bata, kasi mga bata, di ba, may basket, mga pagkain, laruan, ganun. Mag-cereal na naman tayo, Han? Can I have some of your cereal? Oh, no, I don't want the cereal. Hold on. No, I don't want that. Do you want me to make you egg? I'm gonna have egg with rice. You know, konting rice lang, guys. Konting rice. And then, isang egg sa ibabaw. Masarap yun yung egg. Kind of runny. Hindi ko talaga siya gustong runny-runny, pero masarap talaga siya. Sobrang hindi watery yung egg. So, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Sobrang hindi runny yung egg. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Lutuin ko muna. Okay, guys. Ito na yun, guys. Look, konti naman yung rice, guys. Look, konti lang yung rice. And then, ito yung ginagawa ko kapag ganito. Nilalagyan ko siya ng Maggi sabor konti para mag-ano. And then, inano ko yung, oh my God, tignan nyo yung andito. Damn, what are you doing? So, yun, yung egg na nagraran konti. Yun, may matigas-tigas na, ganun. And then, guys, masarap yan, guys, with coffee. And then, that one right there is waiting. Look at that. Right here. You want the big, small one? Goodness, it's just baby. Magluluto daw siya, guys. I told him I'll make him breakfast.
Your camera, go over there.
Han, I'm not Hubs.
Over there.
Okay, I'll be like Hubs. Your dada's making breakfast. I said,
Mama don't want an egg. She had to have whatever. I don't know what that.
no, 1 egg and tiny rice. That's what I have.
Oh.
No, I don't like omelette. For some reason, I don't like omelette.
You're so full of crap.
Han, I don't like omelette. I like egg scrambled with a Filipino style one.
She's full of crap.
We brown it and then you smell. And we pop the egg.
Everything, and then when she has it, she goes, "Oh, I really like
No,
it."
I don't like
weeks later, I don't
omelette.
like that.
Honestly, Han, I'm telling you, I'm the one who's eating, not
I'm
you.
telling you. You're lying.
Han. So now I'm lying what I like.
You are.
You're
You tried
right.
omelet before, you really like it, now you say you don't.
I don't really like it.
Same thing you did with Taco Bell. I don't like it. Oh, I really like this. I don't like it. I really like it. It's like when you ask.
I don't really like it.
Uh-huh.
I know what I like and I know I don't like that thing. I like scrambled egg and then make it cook it like brown with scallion and tomato and then onion and garlic. You know, I like that Filipino style. No more bread.
It's fine. There should be more bread for me. Because none for you and I get more.
No more. You and I diet, okay? Together.
It's just, look, I never agreed to this crap. You do not eat cheese. Figure it out. You go through this every day, you.
You get excited when you open the bag. Oh, the cheese. Tommy always put cheese in everything, guys.
You do not eat
I
cheese.
cannot leave cheese, guys. I just not happy with cheese. Very Italian, guys. Look at it. And this guy is very Italian too. Very Italian and Filipino. Huh? Aluluy. Aluluy. Here. This is what you've been bitching about.
Yeah, there you go. Got a needle.
You want me to fix the cat toy, guys.
There's a bunch of them that need to be
Because
fixed.
it's open.
And the dog toys.
It's open. The toy of Tommy. Tommy's toy, guys. Oh. La, 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 la. Let's fix the cat toy. My husband. My husband wants me to fix the toy of his kids. Here I am waiting. Hey, Dimples. Hi guys! So ngayon guys, nakapagbihis na tayo. Sinuot ko na yung ano guys. Tignan nyo to. Sinuot ko na oh. Tignan nyo naman yan. Sinuot ko na yung lawlaw na pantalon na galing Walmart. Look. Ano sa tingin nyo guys? Look. Nag-ano ako. Ito yung suot ko. Lawlaw siya. So, yun. Sabi pa ni Tommy, okay naman daw. Pero, diba? Pero I think okay na eh. Wala na, doon lang naman sila. Gader-gader lang, hindi naman ano ito. Anyway, so, it's already 12:17 and then, andun yung anak daw niya, mga 12:30. And then, bibili pa kami ng cake, and then bibili pa ng basket-basket para sa mga bata. Hintayin lang natin si Tamimay. And I'm going to let the dog out. I don't know, hindi ko alam guys kung makapag-vlog tayo doon. Hindi ko dalhin itong camera. Ang dadalhin ko is GoPro and cellphone. So, for sure, hindi ako makapag-vlog kasi mga ano, iba yung mga tao doon. Takot akong mag-vlog kasama sila. Kasi guys, yung kapatid ni Tommy, okay lang. Okay lang, okay. Pero matakot pa rin ako kasi na-mention nila noon about yung mga kaso-kaso, kung pag nandun ka sa video, ganun. So, at saka alam ko naman ito, kilala ko naman sila, and then, may tendency talaga na, makakasuhan ka kasi, basta yun, takot ako guys, kasi, yun, kapag nakapalibot ako sa kanila, parang hindi ako masyadong vlog kasi andun siya, yung kapatid ni Tommy okay lang kasi happy-go-lucky, pero yun, may ano pa rin ako, kaba kasi yung kaso-kaso, mahilig sila sa ganun guys, as in mahilig talaga sila, pati nga yung ina ng asawa ng kapatid ni Tommy, mahilig sila sa kaso-kaso, pati apo kinasuhan sila, and then nag-mention din sila about vlog and din kaso. So yun, parang ano ako, parang takot na parang okay na mas iniisip ko yung kung anong mangyayari sa future, baka gawin, basta yun. So kaya paminsan guys hindi ako makapag-vlog kapag kasama sila, kapag may mga tao ganon, kapag andito sila, or mag-vlog ako na andun sila, i-blur ko yung asawa ganon. Kasi yung kapatid ni Tommy okay lang kasi parang nagits naman niya, pero hindi pa rin natin alam, diba? Kasi hindi natin talaga sila kilala. Kaya, yun, parang ano ako, parang gano'n na rin. Tignan natin, kaya, I don't know. Inano ko yung buhok ko, guys. Ina-iron ko. Tignan nyo yung tubo, guys, oh. Diba? Ang tubo. So, ganituhin na lang natin ito, mamaya. So good looking na. Look at that. Look at my guapito, habi. I don't know. Gupong-gupo ako sa asawa ko, guys. Pasensya na kayo. Tignan nyo yan.
They don't PBs.
Huh?
They don't PB.
Ice cream, cake, cheesecake.
Supermarket.
Which one?
I don't care. Shop right or.
The Market 32, they have a good one. We still have to
I like
start.
shop right one with multi different kinds.
Do they have it? And we still have to stop to Walgreens. You good?
I should have done that yesterday. Oh,
You can do it tomorrow. What are you forgetting
I
now?
left my old phone. No bird sitting in front.
Where?
Right there, sitting on the grass.
Oh, there's no bird.
Sit on the grass.
Oh, there?
Your eyes don't work?
The birdies. Okay, let's go. The birdies looking for food is in the back. There's no food.
There's no food in the back.
Hi guys. So ngayon, andun si Tami sa loob ng Walgreens. Andun siya sa loob ng Walgreens. Sabi ko, bili lang siya ng parang basket, na 2 basket para sa bata. Hindi ako pwedeng pumasok doon kasama siya kasi andito yung laptop niya, and then always na yan siya magwo-worry daw. Anong mangyari sa laptop niya dito. Naawa ako sa kapatid ni Tami na bunso. Nakatatapos lang nila nag-usap. Yung may life talaga na perfect, yung parang hindi man perfect yung marriage, no, pero may talaga, parang hindi man perfect, may away, may iringan, ganon, pero yung sa kanya talaga is grabe. Parang maano mo talaga, oh my god, kung ako yun. Maisip mo ba na kung ako yun talaga? Hindi ko na elaborate lahat, pero kung sa akin yun mangyayari, na palagi na lang ganon, and then yung asawa ko is walang kwenta, yun na lang yung masasabi ko. Iiwan ko Sabi pa nila, sana iniwan na noon matagal na, pero mahirap magsalita kapag hindi ikaw yung nasa poder. Mahirap, madaling sabihin na iwan, alis ka na, ganon. Naawa lang ako sa kanya guys, kasi palagi na lang ganon yung life niya. As in, yung i-imagine na lang ninyo yung partner ninyo, mababae man or malalaki. Parang abusado, walang kwenta, palagi na lang nangaaway, useless pa, ganun. Marami din ganun sa Pilipinas, yung mga ganun ba, yung mga lalaki or babae, ganun. Siya pa yung hindi makatulong, siya pa yung kailangan ng tulong, siya pa yung magmura at mang-away, ganun. Ay, Ginoo ko guys. Pero okay, yun lang. Natakot ako sa babae, inopen niya yung sasakyan ko, akala niya sasakyan niya, pareha kami ng sasakyan guys. Ay, Subaru puti legacy. Pumunta siya dito sa sasakyan, inopen niya, kaloka. Sabi ko, patay bat ako, sabi ko, nagulat niya siya, nagulat. Ay nako, akala niya ang sasakyan niya ito. Nakakatawa. Guys, there's no ice cream. There's no cheese that Sam is looking for. Yung iba't ibang klaseng cheesecake. Iba't ibang klase, different kind. And that's a big one. Huh? Where are you gonna put it?
Well, I gotta put some of the candy in here. Because they don't have, there's very little candy in these things. Loose candy to throw in here.
You want me to do this other one?
Yeah. Seriously. I'm trying to do this. See, that one at least you have a, no, you got a thing here you can undo. This one you can't. I'm trying not to undo the bow. Not for that one. For this one.
Keep doing it. I like it.
I don't wear it out.
And do it again. I like it.
Trump
Come on.
sent
Here we
10,000.
go again.
He sent 10,000 National
Here
Guards.
goes that guy again. When he turned around, chicken guy who dogs the draft, okay, turned around and said, I will follow you up to the house.
You
And
get
he
that?
didn't come. Chicken shit didn't come.
Tomorrow's
He
video.
didn't go into service because it was chicken
You gotta
shit.
jump on the day.
Oh, he did. Come on. The Filipinos, the Orientals are getting slaughtered for no reason.
By who?
Yeah, you love him, huh? Oh, yeah, she loves you when she tells you that, right? That house.
And what do you feel after that?
Let me tell you, I went with Angelo. I was petrified. They gave me the shot.
Yeah, but you can go even without vaccine.
No, let me tell you, it's too dangerous. And people are so rude. You come along, these young kids, I don't know where their parents are. They don't wear masks. They go partying. You got to be nuts today. I'm so tired of being in that house. Not that I go out anyway, but I wanted that sense of security. And that's nothing. The test is nothing. That's just a swab. But I was very nervous about the shot. Very
What kind
nervous.
of what is a
They
Pfizer?
only had the Johnson & Johnson.
Oh, you get Johnson & Johnson.
That's all they had. I took whatever they
I
had.
thought they are good compared to the other two,
You
right?
know how many lists I was on?
Baby, baby.
I pooped in my fil-am.
Oh no, we need to change you. Yuck! Get off of me, baby. You got stickies.
Come on, let's go change.
Okay, lie on the mat over here, baby. I change you. Do do do. Do do do. Okay, baby, you all clean. You feel better?
Yeah.
Okay, where's your bully, baby? It was around here someplace. It must be gone. You feel better? Look, your friend came over to play with you. Okay, look at that crazy lady with the phone. Hey, lady. Let's do a dance for the lady on the phone. Yay!
You threw the baby. What the heck is wrong with you?
Ha 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 ha. Let's play. Where's your pool, baby? I want to go swimming. Holly's in the pool.
Hey, how about if we put some water in it?
Well, I've been doing that my whole life.
See, I was thinking, because she breaks out a lot underneath, like, the clothes, right? So,
Didn't want to go down the
I was
side.
thinking of just buying her a ton of white clothes and then just bleaching, if bleach baths first, right? But I don't know.
Silly.
I want to
Oh, I didn't kill the bacteria. Because otherwise, the soap from the wash.
No, you.
Mommy, get me out.
How come? Is the water too cold?
Yeah.
Oh
As
no.
adults that try to work out and be active, and our clothes and stuff, like, we're washing our clothes with.
So the lice won't work for you,
Okay, come on out, little one.
I'm thinking
I
of
got
just
the
doing
towel
so
for
that
that.
trying on her clothes instead of detergent.
Try
But you're not
me.
using fabric softener
Okay.
in her wash,
No,
right?
we don't use that.
Take care of my baby.
Fabric softener. She just uses all free and clear.
There she goes.
Yeah, that's the.
What? 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 You go, poo poo. You go. What? 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 You smell a baby? Hi guys! Nakauwi na kami. Final lurch. Pauwi na. And then, late na. Oy, ginoo ko. Tami ay pakain na yung mga alaga kasi. So, yung mother-in-law, my sister-in-law, ang daming leftover na. Yung mga hindi nila kinakain. Yeah, so this is for the dogs. And also, Tommy have a lot of chocolate. Oh my God. Let me close this window. Kasi ayaw ko ng window na open. And then the people can... You know, we have a lot of neighbors. They can come. They can see what we're doing and joke. No. We don't have neighbors. We have a very, very far away neighbors. So, yun. So, we have roast beef, guys. The cooked roast beef.
Rib.
Oh, prime rib pala. Oy, why I see that? What is the difference about roast beef and prime rib? It's all beef. They're all the same. Okay, so where is my car key? Hi guys.
That's what you heard Steven say. I don't have steak unless I come over to your house and you barbecue it.
Huh?
You heard Steven say, I don't eat steak unless I come over to your house and you barbecue it.
Did he say that?
Yep. He tells his father that all the time. Don't you learn how to barbecue, folks?
So Tommy want to have this thing in the freezer, okay? So, and he want it
Oh,
in the
because I'm not
bag.
going to eat it.
Did you eat? Oh, stay. This is coming to you. Did.
Good girls. Good girls.
Did the whole thing?
Yep.
Good girl. Who's a good girl? Oh my goodness. Come on, monkey. Oh, dadaga sa bunsi. Oh, look at that. What was this face? Oh, look at that. How a nice bones. Where is my son? Sakit talaga yung likod ng asawa ko. So, kailangan siyang... This is with scissor, huh? Oh my God. Scissor all line. So, you tell me where to put it. Okay. Look here. What is this really, honey? Huh? Is this bed? Which one is need to go? The padding and this one. Huh? This is good. Go under the blanket, honey. Okay guys, matulog na tayo. And inano ko lang yun kasi yung likod niya is nag-acting na food. Acting na naman yung likod niya. So, yung palagi na lang ganito. Parang nagtumatayo siya. Pasensya na madilim kasi yung kuryente dito is pinatay na namin yung suga. Yung iba. So, kaya yun, pag magtindig siya ng matagal, sumakit,